India has done a fabulous job in reaching the right people with the HIV services over the last many decades. We have many traditional ways of testing for HIV which are based out of a facility. So one can go to a facility called as Integrated Testing and Counseling Center and can get tested themselves at that particular center. At that center we have counseling services, we have testing services, we have reporting services, and we also have services to link to ART center. Another important initiative under NACO was the community-based screening for HIV, through which the HIV testing kits, which are known as the rapid kits, are taken into the community where especially people cannot come to a facility to get tested. And that could be due to various reasons. One does not want to come to a facility due to the distance that they have to travel, due to the money and the wages that they lose because of the time and the distance that they have to cover, due to the unavailability of time, unavailability of peers to take them to the facility, and most importantly, the fear of confidentiality and stigma of going to a certain facility that is designated as HIV testing facility. HIV self-testing is a very innovative method, but it is a very simple method of getting oneself tested for HIV. HIV self-testing gives you an opportunity to do the testing at your own privacy with utmost confidentiality and within a very, very short period of time. HIV self-testing is a very simple method of collecting your own sample. Now this sample could be an oral sample, that is of your saliva around your gums, or it could be a blood sample which could be obtained by a single simple finger prick through a needle, which is available in the HIV self-testing kit. By collecting your sample and by using the kit in the right way, you can get your HIV self-testing result within 20 to 45 minutes. However, while we have this innovative method of testing at home, it comes with a whole lot of responsibility on ourselves as individuals. Once we complete a test, it is very, very important to report the result of the test to a certain facility, to a certain counselor, to a certain doctor or a provider that you consider as your health provider. In the Accelerate program, we are promoting HIV self-testing through two methods. This is through our online platform. So one can order an HIV self-testing kit and get it couriered to a convenient location, or one can go to a certain center which have been listed, which is nearest to the person, and can pick up an HIV self-testing kit from there. Both these methods are actually being adopted by the clients that we have worked with so far. Another important way of doing an HIV self-testing is either through an assisted approach or an unassisted approach. Both of these approaches are well accepted by the community that Accelerate has been working with. Under assisted approach, the individual can opt to work with one of our virtual counselors who can help the person understand how to do the test accurately, how to interpret the results, and then once the results are out, what are the next steps in terms of linkages and referrals based on the result of the test. Under the unassisted testing approach in HIV self-testing, one can do the test completely on their own. However, the program offers a lot of clear communication material which hands out to the person how to do the test in a stepwise method. Once the person completes the test as per the methodology given, our virtual counselors contact that particular individual in order to help them to get linked to the further referral services. It is very, very important to keep this in mind that HIV self-testing is only a screening test, and hence it is very important to get to a certain facility where trained health experts are available to complete the testing as a confirmatory test. So if the HIV self-testing result for an individual shows as negative, the virtual counselors counsel the person to use prevention methods and to stay negative lifelong, and we also help the person get tested again within 3 to 6 months if they are at high risk. If one screens positive on the HIV self-testing kit, then it is mandatory for the person to be counseled, given post-test counseling, and then further linked to a government-based ICTC center where a confirmatory test is completed. And once the confirmatory test is completed and again confirms a positive result, the person is further linked to an government ART center, where the antiretroviral treatment is given free of cost to that particular person. Hence, it is very, very important to complete the HIV cascade of care once we start at the HIV self-testing kit. At Accelerate, those individuals who do not want to get linked to the government center due to various issues and reasons are also given an option to get linked to a private laboratory or a private healthcare provider who has the expertise in treating HIV infection. The person can go to the provider and can start the HIV treatment at their own cost and at their own willingness. The first time an HIV self-testing kit, a home-based kit, was approved by FDA was in 2012. And then in 2016, the World Health Organization published the guidelines with the recommendation that HIV self-testing is one of the most important testing methods that can complement the existing traditional ways of testing.